First time in my life I am experiencing and eating for the king of the desert. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Abhijeet and I am a veterinarian. I am sharing with you some interesting information, skills and feeling from my internship. Today I can't wait to share my special moment from today. The excitement begins as the camel entered in clinic. Have you ever witnessed a camel in vehicle? This is something I have never seen before. They explain everything to us, but we still don't know how to restrain a camel. Tie both forelegs as tightly as you can to restrain a camel. It is most important during the treatment. It is time to get the camel out of the vehicle now. How to do this? Our doctor team has worked very hard to remove it securely for medicinal care. As you can see in the video, why did they bring the camel in clinic? According to the owner, the camel has not feeding or drinking correctly from past 3 days. Then we diagnosed the case using some CBC reports and other fundamental parameters. All reports are normal with no infectious or metabolic diseases reported. It was induced by stress. We are treating him with the fluid and pharmaceutical therapies. I do not reveal the medicines that are used here because to confidentiality and veterinary ethics. Following the treatment of camels, I hope he will recover quickly. This is the first time I have encountered the camel. I am currently as an intern in the clinical complex of SK Nagar College of Veterinary Science in Nandivada. This is all about the case and my experiences. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting information and my experiences. Thank you everyone. See you soon.